67,802. Total earnings 71,879. Hey guys, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. Guys, today I want us to look at this underrated profession, which is admin. People who work in the administrative space. This is so underrated, and I received so many pay slips, people in this space. For today, we're just gonna go through 8 pay slips, and then you can look out for part 2, which is coming next week. Okay, some people, they can get this job, especially long time ago. In my times, you could get these jobs without even a degree or a diploma, with just matric. But today, I know they say you can't get these jobs without qualification for obvious reasons. So let's see the first one. She's got 15 years experience, started as an office administrator in a government department. Then I applied for that post of office manager. The job is administrative and it shows pay the bills, but one can get this job without postgrad. Okay, so let's see how much she's getting. A basic salary 53,396. Cash allowance, NPK. Okay, NP cash 15,585. And then gross salary 68,981. You cries in accounting. Yo, get that. But yeah, did you see those salaries that we're accounting? But guys, it's all about passion. It's all about passion. Deductions are 26,662 and a net pay of 42,319. Okay, obviously they're paying for their tax and. Hi Bonds, I work for a small company. I would love to know what the company pays. I shall check feedback on TikTok. I hope I won't get chest pains. She has matric. Let's see how much she's getting. Basic salary 26,154. Provision for medical aid 3,000 rands. Total earnings 29,195. Total deductions 11,714. And in a pay of 17,481. Child, what are you paying for? Okay, medical aid is 726. Pays you earn is 4,000. IBO. Oh, there's another medical aid is 6,000. Provident fund is 2.1. Sure. Okay, so it's the medical aid that is making her deductions to be so high. Otherwise, pays you earn is just 4,000 rands. Okay. Hi Boni, I know that the pay slip is dated 2023, but nothing much has changed. Our salary increases every year in July. I have been working in the investment industry for 13 years. I started through a learnership program at a different company. I have been working for the mentioned company on the payslip for 9 years now, and I'm a senior administrator, and this is what I take home, including incentives. I have project management higher certificate and a paralegal diploma. In conclusion, my view is that it depends on the company and the role. Okay, so let's see how much she's getting. 13 years of overall experience and 9 years in this company as a senior administrator. Total taxable earnings 27,585 and a net pay of 21,761. Total cost to company is 5,514. Now let's look at admin clerk. Okay, she works for the government. He's got matric and computer. That's it. Okay. He started working in 2010, so he's got about 14 years of experience and works for the government. Okay, basic salary 25,076, housing allowance 1,691. Guys, these salaries are good. Gross salary 26,767, deductions 10,468, and a net pay of 16,291. Yo girl, I unama deductions. Yo. I. But anyway, yeah, these salaries are good. I'm happy with them, Shem. I'm really like happy with them. Now let's look at another administration clerk. Angasinikanga guys ama-details lo. I don't know if she's got qualifications or not. But she works in the private sector. This is not a government payslip. Job title admin clerk. Basic salary 8,571. Commission 49,000 rands. Income 57,571. Net pay of 42,936. I asked her for details because I wanted to understand what is this commission for, but she didn't respond. Yeah, so but the basic salary, guys, is 8,571, and then we are kokela a provident fund and stuff. Okay, net pay 42,936. All right, now let's look at admin controller. Guys, please don't forget to like and share this video with someone that might need it. Also consider subscribing because part 2 of admin salaries is coming next week. I have like between 8 and 10 salaries that are coming next week, Wednesday. Okay, I currently hold a diploma in accounting, but I'm currently working as a quality controller administrator for an insurance company. This position only requires grade 12 and at least 3 years experience in employee benefits. Tertiary education is just an advantage, but it's not compulsory. Sure. Cash component 4,058 rands. And then there is variable income, so I'm assuming it's a commission. 67,802. 67,802. Total earnings 71,879. Total deductions 26,557. Net pay of 45,421. Guy must tell us what job is this, what's going on. But obviously they are selling something. This is commission. This variable income 67,000 is definitely commission. Okay, now let's move to the last one. An administrator. They work at a parastatal. Gross earnings 45,549. Total deductions 16,600, and a pay of 29,483. So that's all we had for you today, guys. Her position is Chief Administrative Officer, I can see here. But I just need to check her qualifications, okay? By the time, obviously, I upload this video, I'm going to have that information. Otherwise, guys, that's all I had for today. Check out part 2 is coming up next week. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.